Unlock your next adventure by turning your Bank of America travel rewards points into incredible flight bookings. First things first, you'll need to log into your Bank of America online banking account. Once you're in, navigate to the rewards section, which is usually found in the main menu or as a prominent tab. On your rewards dashboard, you should see your accumulated travel points clearly displayed. Look for an option that specifically mentions redeem for travel or book a flight. This will take you to Bank of America's travel booking portal. Here, you can start searching for flights just like you would on any other travel website. Enter your departure and arrival destinations, travel dates, and the number of passengers. The portal will then display available flights, often showing both the cash price and the cost in points. This is where you can directly apply your Bank of America travel rewards points to cover the cost of your ticket. Once you've selected your desired flight, proceed to checkout. You'll have the option to use your points, a combination of points and cash, or just cash depending on your preference and available points balance. To maximize value, always compare the redemption rate for flights versus other options like gift cards or statement credits. Typically, redeeming for travel, especially flights, offers the best bang for your buck with Bank of America travel rewards. Consider booking flights during off-peak seasons or with airlines that offer competitive point redemption values to get even more out of your rewards. After completing the booking, you'll receive a confirmation email detailing your flight and the points used. Congratulations! You've successfully redeemed your Bank of America travel rewards for a flight.